Hello students, welcome back. This is class 6 and we are learning English. In our last video we started with the chapter 3 part 1. So in this video we will be continuing in chapter 3 part 2 from page number 39 to 41. In this video we are going to look at chapter 3 part 2 page 39 to 41. Okay, so students, do you remember what we have learned in the last class? We have seen about a person, and do you remember what is his name and who he is? Okay, now let's watch a video so that you can remember it better. Okay students, do you know who is that person and what that person is doing? Yes, that person's name is Kali and he was dancing a classical dance form Bharatanatyam, and the topic of our lesson is Kali wants to dance. As we have seen, he is a only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms. Okay, now let's see the summary of part 1, what we have seen in the last video. Kali Veerabhadran was born in a village where boys did not dance, especially Bharatanatyam. And this is Kali. His single mother worked very hard to raise him and his siblings. Right from a young age, Kali practiced Bharatanatyam by watching his role model Batmini on TV. He became so good at it that he started performing at school events. His talents was soon recognized and he was offered an opportunity to learn Bharatanatyam at Kalasestra, India's premier dance school. Unperturbed by taunts, he decided to pursue his passion. He overcame several obstacles and schooled to excel in his arts. Okay, that's all we have seen in the previous class, and I hope you have remember him and the lesson. So now let's continue with our lesson. All of you turn your book to page number 39. Page number 39. So in the previous class we have finished up to that Karagatam, that musical lyrics. So let's continue with next one. Next month Kali begins learning Bharatanatyam at Kalakestra. The first few days in school are scary and quiet. So Kali, he was in very confusion where to join and what to do after his schooling. After his mother's advice, he planned to join in the Kalakestra, where he got an opportunity. He got a sponsorship to join in that dancing school. Okay, and after his leave, after he got leave, he joined in Dakshina Chitra, where he learned the folk dances. After next month, he begins learning Bharatanatyam at Kalasestra. And the first few days in school are scary and quiet. Okay, so as a new student, the new campus gave him a fear. And this boy, he was from a village a fishing village, we knew that, and the village was very noisy, and it will be it will not be quiet. Okay, the fishing village, it will be always noisy and there will be noise everywhere. But the Kalashestra was like a forest, beautiful and very peaceful place. The dancing class is very peaceful and quiet place. Okay, so it gave him a good experience. Next para. When the work gets too much and his legs hurt, he cries to Amma. Okay, so now he is in proper training. Okay, as the training started, it his body wants to go up with it, and he gets too much hurt. His legs hurt, and he cries to Amma. He calls his Amma and he cries. Okay. Do you want to hurt buffalo? Amma asks him sternly. Okay, now his mother asked him, do you want to look after buffaloes? உனக்கு மாடு மேய்க்கணுமா இல்லாட்டி ஏதாவது படிக்கணுமா அப்படின்னு அவங்க அம்மா கேட்குறாங்க. And with a serious and severe manner, sternly. He said, no, then go back and do your best. His mother advised him to do his best. Kali begins to adjust to this new world. He makes friends. When language is a problem, not all his classmates know Tamil. Kali speaks using mudras. Okay, so what is mudras? Symbolic hand gestures used in Indian dance. Okay, and the nayangal கை வச்சு அப்படி ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணுவாங்கல்ல அதுதான். So now he adjusts to this new world, new class, and he makes his own friends, and he knows only Tamil. So when language became a problem, he started with communicate with gestures. Okay, அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட அந்த கை அசைவுகள் gestures மூலம் கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சு. Okay, let's move on to next page. Page number 40. Did you go home for holidays? Have you eaten? Okay, these all the things that he used to speak using these mudras. In these pictures you can see, have you eaten? Did you go home for holidays? These are the actions he made to communicate with his friends. At Kalashestra he becomes a skillful dancer. He becomes lean and fit and full of energy. He can now dance for hours. He learns Carnatic music as well. He makes many friends among the students who have come from all over the country and the world. They share their hopes, dreams, and even the food they bring from their homes. Okay, now he was very well with this Kalashestra. The campus was very well with him, and now he became, after continuous of practice, he became lean, fit and full of energy. He can dance for hours, not for 1 hour, 2 hour, even 10 hours he can dance. And he learns Carnatic music, and he has many friends, and they share their dreams and also the food they bring from their homes. Next, Kali starts getting invitations to perform all across India and the world. He travels by bus, train and aeroplane to many places. Okay, so after that he became very famous, and he started getting invitation from all over India as well as all over the world. Okay, now he goes every places and he used to perform. He travels by bus, train and aeroplane to many places. As the years pass, Kali wins awards for his performance. He starts a dance school called Kootambalam in Kovalam. So underline that one. So after winning so many awards for his performance, he starts a new dance school. Its name is Kootambalam, okay, in Kerala. And now Kali is ready for another performance. He puts on his makeup carefully. He wears his costume with ease. So now after becoming popular and he got so many practices, it was very easy for him to put his makeup and to perform in the stage. Next, the velvet curtain goes up and Kali begins to dance. Having completed his PG diploma in dance, Kali has now started Kutambalam, a dance school in Kovalam, where he has been featured in a documentary film by People's Archive of Rural India, and many newspapers and TV channels have carried his interviews. Now he also won various awards for his dance, including the Music Academy Spirit of Youth Award. Okay, so what is meant by documentary film here? Documentary means a film or a radio program which shows a factual account of something. Okay, so in Discovery Channel and all, you can see they will cover a place or they will cover a person, their full life story and all. Okay, so that is called documentary film, and he also acted in that film by People Archive of Rural India, and newspapers and TV channels have carried his interviews. Okay, students, that's all. We'll wind up here. Now let's watch some of his performances so that you can understand it better. So students, I hope you have understood well this lesson, and we have seen about a person of age 25. His name is Kali, and he is the only male dancer who has mastered the classical dance form of Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient folk dance forms, as we have seen in this video, Vailatam, Tappatam and Karagatam. Okay, now let's see book exercises. Turn your book to page number 41. Complete the following fact file of Kali. Okay, take your pencil, write down the answers. So write his full name and age, place of birth, his qualification, profession, specialization and achievements. Okay, write down the correct answers by looking these answers. First one, full name Kali Veerabhadran, age 25, place of birth Kovalam, Kerala, qualification PG diploma in dance, profession professional dancer, specialization Bharatanatyam and 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms, achievements the only male dancer to master Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance forms. Write it down, write the answers fast. After writing, let's move on to next. Write if the following statements are true or false. Okay, Kali had the support of both his parents while growing up. True or false? Did he got the support from his parents? No. Kali had a role model when he was young. Yes, he had a role model. Next one, Kali got an opportunity to be trained in dance because of his talent. Yes, he got an opportunity. Next, Kali was sure that he wanted to be a dancer right from his childhood. He was not sure. Next, Kali learned a different language to speak to his friends at Kalashestra. Did he learn different language? No, he just used the mudras, gestures. Let's see the answers. First one is false, second one is true, third one is true, fourth one is false, and E option false. Write it down the answers. So let's move on. Open your classwork note to write the classworks. Already we have written new words, synonyms, antonyms, and the reference to context. Now we will write answer the following. First question, how did Kali practice Bharatanatyam at his young age? Okay, அவங்களோட காளியோட சின்ன வயசுல காளி எப்படி பரதநாட்டியம் கத்துக்கிட்டார்? Next question, write the achievements of Kali. What are the things that he achieved? You have to write. Okay, for the first question answer, Kali practiced Bharatanatyam at his young age by watching his role model Batmini on TV. Kali practiced Bharatanatyam at his young age by watching his role model Batmini on TV. Write the achievements of Kali. First one, Kali is the only male dancer to master Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance. He has won several awards and been featured in a documentary film. He also runs his own dance school in Kovalam. Okay, these are his achievements. So students, read with me loudly. First question, how did Kali practice Bharatanatyam at his young age? Read with me the answer. Kali practiced Bharatanatyam at his young age by watching his role model Batmini on TV. Next, read with me second question. Write the achievements of Kali. Answer, Kali is the only male dancer to master Bharatanatyam as well as 3 ancient Tamil folk dance. Next, he has won several awards and been featured in a documentary film. He also runs his own school in Kovalam. Own dance school in Kovalam. Okay students, write it fast, write neatly, maintain your classworks neatly. After writing this, let's check the previous homework. Turn your homework note. Answers for previous homework. Fill in the blanks. Kali Veerabhadran is a hero because he learned to dance. Check the answers. Most of you written the right answer, but some of you copied by looking other people answers. So don't do that. Do by yourself and send it to me. Kali is the only male dancer who has mastered the classical form of Bharatanatyam. Kali practiced Bharatanatyam by watching his role model Batmini on TV. Kali got an opportunity to learn Bharatanatyam at the Kalakestra, India's premier dance school. So these are the right answers. Write the correct spellings. Check the correct spellings and write it down neatly. Kalakestras, check the spelling. Bharatanatyam, check the spelling. How many of you got all right answers? Okay, very good. Let's move on to next. And we have other homework in page number 36 in your book. I gave you the homework. From there also we will see the answers. Okay. And this is the answer for that crossword. Okay. So across. Second question. A religious Indian dance famous for elaborate costume and makeup. That is, answer is Kathakali. And fourth one, across. Okay. A solo dance categorized by body movements like clapping and footwork. So fourth one, flamenco. Sixth one, a well-known dance in which two people dance in synchronized movements. That is tango. Seventh one, an Indian dance drama performance which is defined set of rituals. That is Kuchipudi. Last line, seventh one. Next in the crossword, down. First one, an artistic dance that is used to express emotions or tell a story. Ballet. A classical dance form that originated from the traveling storytellers of North India. So second one, downwards, Kathak. Answer is Kathak. Third one, a lively social dance that is popular for its rhythm. Salsa. Next, fifth one, an ancient Indian classical dance that originated in Hindu temples. Fifth one, Odissi. Odissi, okay students? So write it down the answers. Answers will come only on the shades yellow color, okay, on your book. So let's move on to today's homework. Today's homework. Study the classworks and your book exercises that we have written today and answer the following. Write this question in your homework note. Write the achievements of Kali Veerabhadran. Write the achievements of Kali. Write it down this question in your homework note. Write the answer for this question in your homework note. You have to study first. After that you have to write it down the answer. So today we have written 2 questions in your classwork note. And we have written some book exercises, so all of those you have to study. And we have some more homework in your book. So let's turn your book to page number 43. Work with words. You have some more homework. Page number 43. Listen carefully. Commonly confused words. Many words in the English language have similar sounds but different meanings, which we need to keep in mind while speaking and writing. So there are many words in English language which have similar sound. Okay, words 1 or 2 letters will be different, but the sound is similar, and you have to notice the meanings are different. Okay, sound is similar but meanings are different, and we have to keep it on our mind while speaking and writing. Read the 2 sentences given below. Which of them has an error? Okay, the first few days in school are scary and quiet. Okay, next line also, the first few days in school are scary and quiet. Both have same sound, okay, scary and quiet, but see the spelling of quiet, it is different. Okay, since quiet and quiet sound similar and have a minor difference in spelling, they can be confusing to use correctly. Okay, let us look to some more words of this kind. So, which one is the right one? Yes, first one is the right one. Scary and quiet. QUIET means silent. ரொம்ப பயந்த அமைதியான இடம். And scary and quiet, QUIT, that means completely. Okay, it has different meaning. So likewise, there are some exercises in same page. First one and second one. Choose the word that completes the following sentence correctly. You have to do by yourself. First, you have to read the sentence. I have never seen my father dash his temper. And there are two words, same sound words. You have to find the meaning of that words. LOOSE means what? LOSE means what? You have to find the meaning of it. After that you have to fill it. Okay students, first you have to read the sentence and there are two confusing words. You have to find the meanings for that and write the meanings there. After you have to fill with the right answer. Okay, this two is your homework. Next one, fill in the blanks using there, they are, or there. Okay, three words and it has same sound but different meanings. That one also you have to do by yourself. So today's homework, you have to write one question and answer in your homework note, as well as you have to complete this book exercises. And you have to click a photo of both. Okay, classwork, that homework note, question and answer, that picture as well as this picture. And I want the meaning of those confusion words. Okay, lose, counsel, accept, affect, desert. Okay, I need the meaning. You have to write it down in a small letter. I need the meaning of it and you have to fill it with the right answer. Okay students, so this is your homework. So we will wind up here and we will meet soon with new lesson in next video. So thank you students, take care, bye bye.